Hi there, I'm Debbie Indihar Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to our Thursday weekly update. We're looking at April 26th. What's going on with the Milpitas MLS update? We have 24 pending sales right here in the city of Milpitas. That's a good steady state of inventory coming on and then inventory selling and coming off. And speaking of inventory, let's see, there's 7 new listings that just came up this week on MLS. So we are definitely seeing a rise of inventory. And I think that that will ultimately, with the interest rate rising and the stock market has fluctuated the last couple weeks downward, that it's going to maybe ease off some of the demand that the buyers have. So we'll watch that in terms of pricing in the next couple months. So 1819 Pinehurst Court, it's a property up there in the Summit Point Golf Course, beautiful home. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3,000 square feet for $1,788,000. 920 Smith Lane is in a brand new development. 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,000 square feet. Obviously a small lot size, 1447. I can't believe they put these large homes on the small lots, but it's 1.249 million. 202 Orion Court. That is a nice home in the Manor area, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. I believe it's a one-story, 2191 square feet for $1,199,000. That's a very good price on that. And then 1289 Elkwood Drive, great neighborhood, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1422 square feet, 3896 square foot lot for $1,068,000. And then right here in Parktown, 1477 Yosemite Drive, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1528 square foot. Lot size 7,228 for $999,888. That's a good price. The price is a little lower than the other areas of Parktown because that is Rose Elementary School, which is a little bit of an inferior school to Senate Elementary. So 1557 Jupiter Drive, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,000 square foot home for $997,700. That's a good price. And then 349 Manzanita Court right there in the Pines, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1215 square foot, lot size 3,041. So that's a patio home, $849,950. So that is the cheapest home on the market, $849,950. Speaking of cheapest homes, then the second lowest priced home is the one I have at 395 Dixon Road in Milpitas. Had that open this past weekend with 75 families through it. Only one offer. Offer deadline was Wednesday, so I'm a little surprised, and that might be indicative of the market slowing down a little bit, but this home does need work. The garage is converted, so there is no garage, although there's the ability to put garage carport or a parking area in the back of the home because the lot is large. So little creativity would really bring that property up. So we did get an all-cash offer, and we're looking at that today. So let you know next week how we did on that. And then coming soon, 335 Coelho Street, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,100 square feet for $899. That'll be in a couple weeks. And then 3 weeks away is 1601 Yellowstone Avenue. Great Parktown home, beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath. I'm excited about that one. 1737 square foot in Senate Elementary for $1,298,888. I'll be telling you about the open house for that. And then 309 Norwich Avenue, we just set the price yesterday. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1431 square feet for $1,098,888. That should be a good price, but it's a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous home. Most people are leaving the country and going to family back in France, and so they priced it accordingly. It should move, but really excited to see that property online when I show you the photos. And then 690 Lexington Avenue in Kirtner Elementary School, $899,888. And then 117 Nicholas Avenue, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2351 square feet. That's a very nice home. We're going to do some remodeling, update the bathrooms, put a new carpet in. It has a big bonus family room added to the back. A great neighborhood near the park. So I'll be meeting the seller next week, and we'll set the price for that one. So stay tuned. And then 1845 Blue Spruce Court. It's a patio home in the Pines, not attached. There's no common wall. It's fully detached, which is pretty cool, in the end of a court. And we'll be looking at that early part of June. So that's not quite ready yet. So anyway, those are coming up. So current interest rates, as I said, they ticked up about 0.25% this week. I got Monday's report, and it's at 4.75% for 30-year fixed conforming, 4.25 for 15-year fixed conforming, 4.75 for 30-year fixed jumbo, and 4.25 for 15-year fixed jumbo. Nothing in the threes. And we're going now upward closer to 5%. And I do think that that will have an impact with some buyers being able to have the ability to afford homes, especially in the entry-level home. The entry level is about 1.1, 1.2, and you add a higher interest rate to that, and it really impacts the level of the ability of being able to buy. All right, San Jose Mercury News. Renting a home has become Bay Area's new norm. A shortage of properties and high prices have locked many people out of ownership. Young families who can't afford to buy their first home are renting at a point in their life when historically they might have bought. So they're pushing that out to a later stage in their life if they can't afford to buy at all. Should empty nesters stay or should they go? So there's some factors that you want to consider in making that decision. Factor in your lifestyle plans. Number 2, seek outside advice to gain perspective. You might want to check with your CPA and some other financial planner, see how that works in. Include financial factors in your decision making, and don't delay charting your housing plan. So if you do have a plan in motion, but maybe you're waiting for the home prices to just go up a little bit more, I'd say don't delay, because markets are volatile, and I think that if you play the market, you may not come out ahead. So Bay Area sheds jobs in March. I thought this was interesting that 2,300 jobs were lost in the state, 7,200 through the state is 7,200, the 2,300 is here locally. Though the unemployment rate remains the same, which is a record 4.3%. So that hasn't changed. So we did shed some jobs. So I think the long-term economy here for the real estate market will be predicated on, number 1, interest rates, which we know are going up. Number 2, the ability for buyers to cash in their stock options to be able to put in that large down payment for a home here locally. And number 3, looking at job security and the health of the job market right here in the Valley. So those 3 factors are holding up our market, but if they start to change at all in the future, we will see that effect in real estate prices. Okay, if you want to know anything about the City of Milpitas, City Council reports, agendas, minutes, Planning Commission, anything that's going on that's looking at the future, the planning of our city, check the website www.ci.milpitas.ca.gov. All right, thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.